Well, the good news about being a futurist is that I will either be right and can congratulate myself, or you will forget my predictions by the time arrives to check whether or not they were accurate. So, with that, I believe that, of course, we're going to see a number of technologies that will be applicable for everybody, like general and generative AI, and maybe agentic AI, where they're going to help us purchase things and make appointments and contact other people. All of these things are going to transform higher education as well as pretty much any other business that we can think of, because most businesses and organizations are now digital businesses and organizations. Now we're going to see great possibilities in research out of two very interesting technologies working together. Certainly AI, but I'm talking about the core AI and deep AI, the engines that allow us to do heavy mathematical related computation, as well as predictive AI, however faulty it is. And this combined with quantum computing, which is still it's in its infancy, but promises an incredible amount of computing power. So these two technologies together, plus additional storage and convenience in cloud services and graphic microprocessors, are going to give us computing capacity that we had never had before. And not only that, but computing capacity that can be put in the hands of many different researchers to really make a difference, solving some of the intractable problems that we have to solve in the environment, health sciences, the economy, and technology, and everything hopefully for the betterment of humankind. Now, I see other technologies, as I mentioned before, as we adopt AI and the students are using AI in order to be trained, then they're going to be very smart when they join the workforce. And they're going to know how to use these tools in order to really make a contribution for the organizations where they work. So they're going to be able to be much productive. They will be able to hit the ground running much faster than past generations of students were, because of the disconnect between what we teach in classrooms and what companies and organizations read on the ground. And when you can ask a good AI engine that has been fully trained either by your company or by a provider of your company, and you can ask key questions about how to perform your job duties, and you augment that with your interactions with peers, with clients, with co-workers, and certainly with your supervisors, then you find that our next generations of knowledge workers, our next employees coming from the schools today are going to be spectacular employees.